hopeful Mohamed Morsi announced his provisional victory early this morning after initial results were counted overnight.
I hope that everybody will work together and they will put their country above their parties.
الرصاص نفسه هذا اللي بنخوف اللي تشوفه ترتعب منه، نحن خدمناه.